Let's turn our attention to the Prime Minister's first visit to Rajasthan following India's attack on terror launch pads in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir on the 7th of May. Well, we are told that the Prime Minister has landed in Rajasthan. He's landed at the Null Air Base, which is the Bikaner Air Force Station. And this air base is actually close to the India-Pakistan border. My colleague Harsha has been tracking all the latest developments for us in Bikaner. She joins us live at the moment. Harsha, this is the Prime Minister's first visit to Rajasthan just weeks after India's strike on terror camps across the border. Take us through how the crowd is reacting to this visit and the Prime Minister's plan of action.
Yes, well, absolutely. We are here at Palana, where the Prime Minister is expected to arrive shortly. He's landed at Nal and will now be going to Deshnok to do prayers, and then he will inaugurate the Amrit Bharat Railway Station Yojana from the Deshnok railway station. But just to give you a sense of what's happening, we have, my cameraman will just lift the camera and pan a little behind this tricolor, you can see the way people are getting together here. They are coming in large numbers, lot of excitement there at that corner, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, and people in all those colorful orange turbans. The atmosphere is really getting charged here as people start coming in, and the excitement is definitely building up, as you can see. Of course, like we were discussing, this stage is going to be very important because the Prime Minister is going to address a public meeting here the first time after Operation Sindoor. Now remember, the people of Rajasthan share a border of 1,070 kilometers with Pakistan, and they did come under attack when the standoff happened with Pakistan during the early phase of Operation Sindoor. What exactly will be the Prime Minister's message from here, not just for the country, but also for the rest of for people across the border, is something everyone will be looking out for. India's security doctrine has absolutely changed with Operation Sindoor. India definitely in a stronger, more commanding position. Also, no negotiation with terror message that's going out from here. So when you look at the audience, when you look at people who live actually on the border and who face the drone attacks just 2 weeks ago, what will be the PM's message to them is something that we will be closely looking out at.
Right, so as Harsha is reporting, political observers anticipate that Prime Minister Modi may once again send a strong message to the global community, including Pakistan, from that stage that's right behind Harsha, as you see. Harsha, in terms of the local sentiment, you briefly touched upon it, but what are people on the ground actually talking about? Is it the strikes across the border? Is it the infrastructure projects, the new railway station?
Well, yes, just to give you a sense of what people are saying, let me just go towards a few people to get you a feeling, because we're still quite away from the crowd. So just to give you a sense of what people are feeling, we're just going to move, towards the crowds and quickly get you some reactions as they come in. Now, as you can see behind me, there's a huge, crowd. People are all gathered. People are all gathered in large numbers here behind me, and I'm just going to go across to them. The crowd.
Right, as you can see, Harsha is taking us through all the action in Bikaner. Right, it's over to Bikaner for the latest.
धरती पे लोगों ने अपना खून बहाया है इस धरती के लिए, देश के लिए, और इस धरती से सबसे ज़्यादा देश के लिए जो फोर्सेस के अंदर काम करने वाले हमारे जवान और ऑफिसर्स हैं, इसी धरती से। और इस ऑपरेशन के अंदर भी जो है, जिस तरह से हमारे शूरवीरों ने योगदान दिया और पाकिस्तान के फोर्सेस को और उनके जो इरादों को नस्तानाबूद किया, और जिस तरह से उनके कैंप्स को डिस्ट्रॉय किया, बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्स प्लेड ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल। उन्होंने जम्मू के अंदर जो है किस तरह से उनके रेंजर्स के और आर्मी कैंप्स को ध्वस्त किया, जिसको प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने भी अप्रिशिएट किया। सो ये हमारे लिए बड़ा गर्व की बात है कि बीकानेर शहर में प्राइम मिनिस्टर आ रहे हैं, और ये ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बाद पहला जो है उनका पब्लिक के साथ इंटरेक्शन है और स्पीच है। सो हमें बड़ा गर्व है।
Thank you very much. So there you can hear a quick reaction from someone who has served in the BSF, and as you can see behind me, a lot of excitement and people turning up in large numbers.
As always, Harsha, thank you so much for joining us with all the action live from Bikaner. We will, of course, revert to you for regular updates as and when the Prime Minister reaches that venue.